Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are thinking about using InMotion hosting but you are new to hosting, this video can help you. We are going to talk about each and everything you need to know before you sign up. So don't worry, I will explain in very easily. Also, please check the description for the helpful links and the latest price. I keep it fresh for you. So let's get started. Now, what is the web hosting? Web hosting is like a home for your website. You build your website and hosting helps it to stay online so other people can see it. InMotion Hosting is one company that gives you the same services. Many people use it for blogs, business sites, and even online shops. So why choose InMotion? It is beginner friendly. The control panel is easy. You can install WordPress with one click and you don't need to be a tech expert. Second thing is it is fast. Your website will load quickly. That is good for visitors and Google search. Third thing is it gives you free tool like you can get a free SSL for the security of your website and the free email and even free website migration if you already have a website. Now, what about the help system? InMotion gives you 24 by 7 help services. You can chat, call, or email them. And their support team is very friendly and helps beginner. You don't need to be feel nervous. Now let's talk about the price. InMotion plans start from around $3 to $4 per month for shared hosting. That's good for one website. You can pay more if you want more website or better feature. Also, they give you 90 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can ask for a refund. So some people can ask, is it hard to use? I can say no. InMotion has a easy dashboard. You can create a website and email, check visitors and more. And if you use WordPress, it becomes even easier. So yes, if you want to start your first website for a blog or a small business or your own brand, then InMotion is a safe or helpful place to start. So that's all for today. Please remember to check the description for all the important information and offers. Thanks for watching. If you are still confused, write the question in the comment section and we will try to help you. So I will see you in the next video.